We got here. We got the new Dewalt. What's the kit name? DCK 350T2. So it's the 3-tool
with the oscillator and the 60-volt batteries.
So let's see what we got here. Let's see if we hit bingo bonanza time. From Dewalt, from Home Depot, not Lowe's. Although we go to both of them, so let's see. We got a bag which we never use, which we'll probably throw out. Oh, tell them you got.
And you got the router we're gonna return.
But the router goes for $249, but on the receipt it says maximum value $150. So it doesn't matter what free tool you get if you're gonna return it, because it maxes out.
Yeah, so you get this kit with the 2 batteries and 3 tools.
So let's see, did they rob us?
So why is it a 4 amp hour?
4 amp, but
it should be a 60 volt.
Right, but there's 2 boxes in here, so let's see what the box says. Box it up. Ooh, there's a big battery.
So you got an extra battery.
FlexVolt 2060. Woo!
So you got an extra battery?
Looks like you got an extra battery. Hurry up, go to Home Depot before it blows up.
You better go get this kit, guys. It's gonna.
So you get your 2
I don't know
batteries,
if that was just for us.
60 volt, 20 volt, FlexVolt, right?
It says 2 batteries. Doesn't show it. It doesn't show a third one.
Right. So you got a freebie, and you get this piece of shit DCB 1104.
Yeah.
It's just the regular. It's not the fan cooled one. It's not the fast charge one, but that's fine. You got a blade and a collet.
With the oscillator.
Got a piece of cardboard, and then you get what, baby? You get the drill.
What is that? The DCD 808?
DCD 806. Well, look what you get. The light. Oh my God.
Nice.
You get the 3-position light. Man, with the adjustable light on, light low, light high.
It's a 2-speed.
Hammer drill. This is not the one that uses the handle on the side, so you could really drill big stuff. But it's okay. It'll work.
Yeah, what did it say? 1200 megawatt output.
Something like that.
Megawatt.
It is not the big one, but it's got a nice chuck. It is metal chuck, not the plastic one. So that's what it is. Not bad. Brush.
All right, sorry about that video cutout.
You got the DCF 860, 1/4-inch, 3-speed, high torque impact driver. Maximum is 3,800 RPM. 0 to 4,500 inches per minute, whatever. But this is the one that has the 3-position light, and it's got 3 speed. It's not the hydraulic, it's the 20-volt XR. They have the hydraulics a little bit quieter, 50% quieter, but
it's not as powerful.
Man, so guess what?
This is their new one. That DCF 860, that's their newest one they have out. Yeah, I'm pretty sure.
Stacking up to be pretty good. And
then, and then you get that oscillator. Ooh, it's the XR.
The buzz cutter.
Because we got the regular compact
3-speed. 1, 2, 3. So guess what? And it's got a light.
Oh, it's got the light.
So I got the old one that has no light.
And 1-speed. Go.
Not bad. No, that other one's a VSR, variable speed.
Well, this one I bet is a variable speed trigger too. It's just got this set output speed, so you could really.
And then you got some cardboard
lock
in here. What else you got? Oh, you got the little belt clip.
Man, so you got a free battery in this kit. I don't know if that's supposed to be like that.
These desiccant gels, do not eat. Throw away. So don't eat it. Make sure you throw it away. You know who that message is for, right? It's not for us.
Not for you?
For some of those dummies that are out there. That's what that's for. You know that.
Well, what else did we get? We got this.
You got the 60.
Got these nice drills.
This thing is heavy. These batteries are. It says, please remove before use. Well, that's not for us again. It's for those people. It says. Oh, it's something about transporting. What are you gonna push a button down. And, so I guess they want you to put this on when you transport, which is, my God, transporting the battery. We're on an airplane, freaking submarine. Where are we going to transport it? So I think this is a score.
Free battery.
When we take the router back and get $150. So for $3.99,
yeah,
it actually costs $2.50 for these Gigundas batteries for an extra 4-amp-hour battery. That's not counterfeit. That's really Dewalt. And then you got 3 tools.
Yeah. So this kit is $3.99 regular, and you get a free tool. But at Home Depot, when you return this router,
yeah, max value $150.
You get $154 back. So $154 minus $3.99, you get this whole 3-tool kit for $245.
3 batteries. You can't beat it. So
yeah, I think you're only supposed to get 2.
Divided by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 pieces. What's that? Do the math on that. What's your net cost? It's
$30 per thing. 40 bucks per thing.
So if it's $30 times 7, that's $210. You're at $250. $30, $40 is $280. So you are $35 per piece.
I don't think you're supposed to get this extra battery though.
That's what I'm saying.
I think that's a
net
fluke.
Cost down. Well, the box was sealed, so if somebody forgot to take it out on the Dewalt Pack Me Up assembly line, which is made in, where are these things made in?
China.
Xingwei.
Or is it Mexico?
CC Rider. With 20-volt industrial, made in Mexico. Better than China.
Mexico.
Just because the cartel's flooding us with fentanyl.
We got the Milwaukee pack out. They got us on that too. So I got the rolling chest, and then I got 2 of these larger chests for $129 because I think I've spent $400, get $150 off. So $250. That's about $75 a crate. That's pretty good. I needed some storage, so that's about it for this video. But yeah, head to
that's $800 worth of stuff with the saw blade you bought.
Oh, and I bought the saw blade.
We got whatever, how many days? 6 months, same as cash. So you're gonna pay whatever.
40
divided by 6 is gonna be
$80.
80 bucks. 8 times 6, yeah, whatever it is. So
yeah, but go get this kit. Maybe you'll get a free battery. You never know.
go get this kit because you're gonna get those big batteries. Boom, boom, chakalaka.
Yeah, and you could always do that little deal. You return whatever you don't need. Just make sure. Oh.
Light it up. Light it up on slow, fast, and it's also variable speed.
The end is loose. So what is that, a new style of lock?
No.
Or is that the same as the old one?
If you want some type of accessory.
Oh, yeah. Yeah.
So get them while they're hot.
Yeah, just make sure you get the most expensive buy one, get one tool. So that router for $249. That way you get the most off when you return it.
6 volt, 60 volt.
Yeah, can't beat it. All right, guys. Tune in with you later. We got more tools and stuff to do.